Marco Cable Management, a leading UPVC cable management company and the UK's largest manufacturer of steel wire cable tray systems. Since its launch 10 years ago, Marco has become one of the fastest growing companies in its sector. At its manufacturing facility on Anglesey, Marco operates the most efficient, modern plant and machinery available from leading British and European manufacturers. Only the highest quality raw materials, sourced from major market-leading producers, are used to manufacture Marco products. Marco also houses its own state-of-the-art testing facility. This provides the company with the ability to develop and test innovative new products. Marco's product development includes a dedicated design resource to engineer the most practical, efficient and economical systems meeting customers' needs for time-saving installation solutions. Marco products are all manufactured to the latest British, European and international standards. Marco, with BEMA, the Industry Trade Association, and in collaboration with other leading cable management manufacturers, has developed an industry-specific code of practice, the BEMA, Best Practice Guide to Cable Ladder and Cable Tray Systems. Manufacturing standards are now required to reach a far higher level of quality, traceability and longevity, a move that Marco has embraced, as well as also introducing a zero-waste initiative for all internal and external operations. Marco's elite UPVC trunking range marks the next generation of cable management solutions, opening doors to new markets and sectors that are quickly adopting its curved, bright, white aesthetics. The Elite Hygiea range is ideal for environments where the spread of infection must be controlled, incorporating an antimicrobial compound into the UPVC, creating a defense against 99.9% of harmful bacteria. Marco is continuously expanding its sales and marketing team, allowing Marco to get closer to the installer and offering specialist knowledge and support. As a British manufacturer, Marco is very much in tune with what the customer wants. For Marco, being one step ahead of customer demand is critical, and it is this that helps Marco Cable Management stand out.